Dynamic video, what we're about. We provide advertisers and agencies with tools to build highly effective and highly optimized rich media banners, and then to run highly optimized campaigns, making sure they get a great ROI and a pretty good adventure for the viewers. So, what's a madman's dream? What's every advertiser's best dream? Each advertiser is trying to get the right person in the right time, in the right place, with the right and most effective creative and message. And how does it translate to nowadays best practices? So, reaching the right audience, meaning using targeting data, targeting technologies, behavioral, contextual, effective visuals, or picking up the right creative, meaning running multiple ad variations, see what sticks, and then give it more screen time. Messaging, finding the right message, the right advertising message that pick up the most conversion, meaning in different ways, linking to live data sources, RSS feeds, APIs, and so on, and see what sticks, and cost efficient. Nowadays you can buy media in real time, do real-time bidding through the exchange. Now what we are doing is basically trying to merge all of this together, get the targeting data, the different creatives, the messaging feeds, buy the media sometimes, and run the most effective and optimized rich media campaign. Now, if you go to the demos, okay. So first demo is about credit card campaign. Two creatives. It's a demographic targeted campaign. So there's one creative for men, another one for women. Updated promotions from a feed. And let's see the demo running. So this is how it looks like for male. We support HTML5, mobile devices, and also Flash-based video streaming ad units. Female. So here's the promotion, different creative, different look and feel. Okay. So you might say, what's the problem? Two ad variations. I can, with some extra manual work, I can do it using my current tools. Let's say that the live promotion feed is not that important. Okay, fair enough. So the next demo, travel sample. It's a bit more elaborated. Here we're using behavioral data, contextual targeting. We get this, again, we don't do the actual targeting. We're concentrating in the dynamic creative and optimization part. So we get data from outside, and according to the behavioral and contextual data, we find out what's the destination, what's this user is looking for right now. And then we give this user the right package, the right travel deal according to the destination. Live feeds are coming from, in this case, La Quinta, a travel deals, the travel packages. We can see it running. So images, videos, footage, prices, descriptions, it's all dynamic. According to the destination, we change the creative. In this case, the background video and some little minor stuff. And if you think about it here, doing all of that manually, it's almost impossible. There are at least around 50 different destinations, thousands of promotions each day, and it's all pretty time sensitive. Prices are being changed every minute. So we do that automatically, and of course optimize accordingly. If we see that a specific destination or a specific travel deal goes well with specific audience or on specific site placement, we're going to give more of that. Okay. The next demo is even a bit more scary. There's some kind of a creep factor here, I agree, but we try to do good. So this is a targeted email campaign for Toyota. In this case, there's a database with millions of people where the agency here knows who you are, where you live, how much time till the end of your list, and some other stuff that you don't want to. Yeah, it's kind of scary. So, in this case, we put your name on a video. It's a personalized video. Now we know what kind of car you have, so we can offer car from the same class, a targeted, personalized banner. When you click on it, you're going to get a personalized banner. So once you get to claim it, or once you click on it and get to the conversion page, they know everything about who you are. And there's a list of the Toyota margins in the area where you live, and that's it. Yeah. Yeah, the business model. Yeah.
So I'm going to get the first question. You said creepy first.
Right.
So why do you think what's I mean, will it be in 5 years that every advertisement will know who I am and it won't be surprising anymore?
I think that the creepy part is where you read your email and suddenly you get ads that are related to the content of the email. That's creepy. When you put a specific shoe in your in your cart when surfing somewhere in a retailer site, and then this specific shoe hunts you for the rest of your life.
Yeah.
That's kind of scary. But yeah, but these are the targeting technologies that are out there, and we are just using them.
Understood. Okay, questions? Because we could go to this creepy path forever. Okay. Oh, okay. Questions?
What type of click-through rates do these types of video have versus one, standard banner ads, and second, normal video like we see pre-rolls on Hulu, etc.?
Right. That's a good question. So we see between 6 to 8 times more conversion rates or clicks, depends what you want to measure, than the industry standard. We are concentrating in banner placements because there's not enough inventory to run highly targeted campaign on in-stream placements. So that's so I cannot answer, but I don't have enough data to answer about the in-stream question. But we see about between 6 to 8 times increasement.
Hi. So this is probably really naive because I don't understand enough about ad serving technology these days. I did, I don't know, 10 years ago, 15 years ago, but it's all changed. So when you're changing elements of a video ad on the fly,
Right.
based on a quick identification of who that customer is, that user is, some of it's obviously going to be the same from person to person, and some of it's customized. And is that actually like built in a composited sort of on the fly, or is there a human that actually identifies, okay, this class of people? I mean, you've got the personal name. I mean, that's even more customized. But to the extent that there's certain levels of whether it's locations or behaviors that are customized, or is everything basically a million variables that are being composited in a video on the fly?
So first of all, this is an email campaign. That's why we have the name of the person. Usually you don't have an actual name. Right? So no. That's too scary. Someone will shut us out. Yeah, no, that's really creepy. There's creepy and like super creepy. So when we run online campaigns, not email campaigns, we how do I explain? We use third-party ad tags. We're certified, third-party ad tag certified on most of the platforms and exchanges. So we basically plug our ed tag, and then everything else, the ed unit, is being changed and being served on the fly through our network. Now, we have the ability to both add layers on top of the video and also mesh up objects and elements into the video. So sometimes we run some mashupping and encoding services every several minutes, every several hours to refresh the different ed variations and then add real-time sensitive content on top of it. And sometimes we render all of it on the fly. The thing is that there's a trade-off. On one hand, the ed unit is supposed to be very light, about 9 kilobytes. So you can't do everything with ActionScript or as a layer on top. On the other hand, meshing up stuff into the video takes more time. And then if you're time sensitive, if you're talking about prices of last-minute deals, you cannot just incorporate everything into the video. So we need to find the right balance, the right way to make it work, and we have a lot of experience doing that. So it's kind of unique to us.
Thank you very much.